What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be working on this car today. Man, that thing is dirty. But I think my clutch master gave out. I'm gonna replace both of them. And if you guys have been watching my previous videos, I've been having issues with putting the car into gear. In one of the previous videos, it was actually my bolts had came loose off of the slave cylinder, so that was that issue. But I still was occasionally not able to put it in gear as smoothly as it should have been. Sometimes it'd be like butter, and then sometimes it'd be like low RPMs, couldn't get into gear. Sometimes it was high RPMs, butter, but then it was just vice versa, just randomly. And then one day at work, pedal comes back up, but there's no pressure, so couldn't get into gear. But luckily I got the car home. So I just want to go over with what I got pretty quick too. It got shipped on the 12th, and today I think is the 16th. This is what I got. I got the sauce, got a couple of these. There was a black one too, I don't know where. Got the line, the slave, the master. Oh, I found the black one. The sticker, not too bad. I think it was like $280 plus Zosh's discount. You feel me? So this is what I was wondering. So this is my one that came out of the car. That's, I guess, popped off. That's the pop that I felt. And this is the new one. So what you have to do, this is what came with the new one. So if your car is not a swapped car and it comes with a K-Series, you have to switch out this. And this is what Zosh was talking about. I'll tag his video. He actually explains it better. But you have to remove that. I replaced this like how he did, and then you have to replace that. So this is the new one, this is the broken one. That's just what I was just worried about. All right, there's my line. Just kind of fit it through the back there. It's not that bad to put in. Just make sure if you're gonna get like this style line, I had it on the right side, so it was hitting my firewall frame or whatever, and it was very difficult to line it up, so I had to take it back out, swing it over to the left side, and it went in like a glove. So if you guys are struggling with that, yeah, I just gotta bleed it and I can test drive it. It's quite simple, the setup. The other one was cool. I kept the brackets. I don't know if I'm ever gonna use them or need them, but yeah, I just gotta put everything back, bleed it, and then we'll go for a test drive. All right, so the car is running, actually. I was gonna do like a week review, but I'll forget. But it's been running now a whole day. Got it running yesterday. You know what that means. It's time to put up the sauce, baby. Look at this. Shashang, shashang. Smells good. But thank you to Hybrid Racing for the EM1, CMC, and Slave Master. I'm proud to say that it works really good. We're gonna go for a drive right now, but I've been driving it already. Can't leave home without your hybrid sauce. Hybrid racing sauce. There's a lot of police out. So, I got my seatbelt on. There's a lot of police out, so hopefully, this goes smooth. But all the gears go in like butter. Peanut butter. Look at that reverse. First, second, third, fourth. Reverse. I love it. I love it. I am happy with the turnout. going in good. Man, it was a much overdue needed replacement. And I gotta get an alignment, as you guys can see in my previous video, where that one flatbed truck wanted to race. I don't think he wanted to race, but he floored it. He's trying to show off for this girl, and he still got spanked. Oh no, the proper word, he still got chopped. He still got chopped. It was raining, so there was like no traction for either of us. Here at the stop sign, these were like my mortal enemies. Could not go into gear. Could not find second. Every now and then it would work. Get up to speed with traffic, and now, whoo! Now I got the sauce, baby. The sauce. Pull out to drive, because now I can. Before I couldn't, even at low RPM. So if you were having that issue at low RPMs, the gear's not going in, just check to see if your CMC is leaking or something. Because when I went to replace it, man, that shit was leaking everywhere. Good now. Ooh, I got another fellow reindeer car behind me. Oh yeah. I was never able to freaking rev up to like 7.5 before. I almost hit 8 right there. I still shifted. It went in. It went into second. No issue. Gosh dang. And definitely follow the instructions on the website, man. Oh my God, to tell you, it took me more than an hour to put it in. I'll just say that. Got so much adrenaline right now. But it did take me more than an hour. So follow the instructions. Listen to Zosh, man. He knows what he's doing. More than me, I can tell you that. But I mean, it's working, so that's all I care for right now. But I am very, very happy with this, as you can tell. So yeah, that's it. Happy with the sauce, happy with the hybrid CMC, hybrid racing CMC. Jeez, man, I was never able to get it into that gear that freaking high of an RPM. That's amazing. Pushed it a little bit. I was looking for traction too. I was like, rum, bum, 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 bum. Getting downshift. Man, I wasn't even able to downshift. Upshift. Getting upshift. Upshift 6. Throw it in the reverse if I want to. Just kidding. I have 6th gear. But that's it. So if you have any questions, let me know. DO24.4 is what it's recommended, and that's what I put it. And then it's working very, very well. So now I put money into the car. I got a CMC. I ain't lying. I need an alignment. I need some suspension.